Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating 3 looks with one palette using the Juvias Place Nomad palette. For the first look, I'm creating a half cut crease. To start, I'm placing some tape down at the outer corner of my eye, then I'm priming my eyelids with the Plouise base in shade 0.5. The first shade I'm dipping into is this matte orange, which I'm placing in my crease using the Morphe M506 brush, making sure that it's packed on really well and touches the edge of the tape. I'm applying this first because I want this to be the main color of the look. Next, I'm blending that out by applying a lighter matte shade, which is sort of a golden beige, along the top edge of it and sweeping my brush back and forth. To add some depth into the crease and outer V, I'm applying this dark brown shade using the Morphe JH40 brush. I'm first touching the brush down at the outer V because most of the product is going to land wherever you first place the brush, and so the outer V will be darker than the rest of the crease. Now that the look is a little darker, I'm going back and reapplying the 2 shades from before so that they are once again noticeable and blended. Next, I'm finishing up my blend by taking this clean blending brush and sweeping it back and forth on the outer edge of all of the eyeshadow. Now it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the JH42 brush and Plouise base to create a half cut crease. This means that I'm only applying the base to half of my lid space. I'm also applying it a little higher than my natural crease since I have hooded eyes. After I've cut the crease out to my liking, I'm starting to fill in the blank area with this shimmery yellow shade. Once the entire area is covered with that shimmery yellow, I'm adding some more of the dark brown to the outer V and slightly bringing it onto the yellow on the lid space. I'm then adding the first shade we applied, which was the matte orange, in between the yellow and dark brown to create a nice gradient going from light to dark. Next, I'm adding some winged eyeliner using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. To do this, I'm first drawing a line close to my lashes, then I'm drawing the wing out, following the angle of the tape that I placed. I placed the tape a little too low this time, but normally I could draw the wing right against the tape and it would ensure that I would get a clean, sharp line. Either way though, the tape helps to create the shape of the eyeshadow, as you can see when I remove it. Next, I'm applying shadow to my lower lash line and basically following the same steps I did on my upper lid. First, I'm applying the matte orange shade, then I'm blending that out with the lighter shade. I'm also adding some of the dark brown as well. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using this silver shimmer shade from the center of the palette. Next, I'm curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin Lash Curler and then applying some MAC Cosmetics False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara. For false lashes, I'm using the limited edition Salon Perfect in collaboration with Brittany Bare Lashes in the style Bearified. To help my natural lashes blend in with the false ones, I'm tightlining with the Note Cosmetics Intense Look Eye Pencil. I'm also applying this to my lower waterline and buffing it out to blend it with the shadow. Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes this look. For the second look, I'm creating a halo eye. To start, I'm priming my eyelids with the Plouise base in 0.5, which I'm simply tapping on to cover my entire lid space. The first shade I'm applying is this dark brown, and I'm packing this into my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner of my eye. Once I've packed that on to be really opaque, I'm blending it out by applying this matte orange shade along the upper edge of it. This is also going to help us transition to the next shade we apply. Next, I'm sweeping this golden beige matte shade along the edge of the shade we just applied using the M562 brush from Morphe. Now that I've created a nice gradient, I'm going back and reapplying some of the orange and dark brown shades to enhance their color payoff. I'm then adding a bit more of that lighter shade from the palette and then finishing up my blend by sweeping a clean, fluffy blending brush around the edge of everything. Now it's time to cut my crease, and I'm once again using the JH42 brush in Plouise base. Since I'm creating a halo eye, I'm only cutting out the center of the lid. I'm just following the natural shape of the crease and rounding it so that it looks sort of like a semicircle would.
Morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear.
Next, I'm covering the two harsh lines from where the base ends in the inner and outer corner of the eye with the dark brown shade.
But it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
For the very center of the eye, I'm applying the silvery shimmery shade.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Next, I'm picking up the darker shimmery shade, which is located to the right of the previous shade we just applied, and applying it in between the silver shimmer and the dark brown. I'm then adding a little bit more of the lighter shimmer shade so that it really pops in the center. For my lower lash line, I'm mimicking what I did on the upper lid. I'm applying the dark brown to the inner and outer corners, which I'm blending out with the matte orange and golden beige shades.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people.
I'm then applying the light shimmer to the center and adding some of the darker shimmer in between it and the matte shades. Skipping any inner corner highlight, I'm going right ahead and curling my lashes and applying some MAC Extreme Black Mascara. I'm then popping on the Salon Perfect Brittany Bare Lashes in Exotic. For my upper and lower waterlines, I'm applying the Note Intense Look Eye Pencil and buffing out the lower with the JH38 brush.
We'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the...
Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes this look. For the third and final look, I'm creating a smoky eye. As always, I'm first priming my eyelids with the Plouise base in 0.5. Next, I'm packing this matte green shade all over the lid space beneath the crease using the Morphe M506 brush.
Savannah.
Once I've packed that on to be really pigmented and opaque, I'm beginning to create a gradient by blending the lighter green shade along the upper edge of what we previously applied.
So I've come to the conclusion, just a rotten piece of fruit. So I'll end up dying slowly, rotting away. See, I just want to be able to climb without a fall, to get out of this mazeland and run.
Next, I'm furthering the blend by adding this golden beige shade along the top edge of the greens, completing my gradient.
To the light, please strike me thunder. So I can be free.
To finish my blend, I'm swooping a clean fluffy blending brush around the outer edge of the shadow that's closest to my brow. Now for my lower lash line, I'm applying the same 3 shades in the same order, so I'm first applying the dark green shade, then the light green shade, and then finishing it up with the golden beige shade.
The chemicals in my head don't work.
Next, I'm highlighting my inner corner with the shimmery yellow shade, which I'm topping off with the silvery shimmer shade. I'm curling my lashes with the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler, applying some MAC Cosmetics False Lashes Extreme Black Mascara, and popping on some Salon Perfect Brittany Bare lashes in the style Poppin'. For my upper and lower waterlines, I'm applying the Note Intense Look eye pencil. I'm then buffing out the lower with the JH38 brush to create a smoky effect.
Let me go under the water till I can breathe.
Finally, I'm applying mascara to my lower lashes, and that completes the 3 looks using the Juvias Place Nomad eyeshadow palette. Let me know which out of the 3 was your favorite in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!